Hi, I'm Joanne Houston. I'm the Director of Music and Theater at Spalding High School. I've been here for 35 years and I teach a variety of classes. One of the classes I teach is Live Out Loud, which is a class based on the 7 Habits of Highly Effective Teenagers written by Sean Covey. This is an example of habit number 2, which is called Begin with the End in Mind. And it revolves around writing goals down, and this student started from birth and went through elementary, middle, high school, and into their later years to kind of do a prediction of what they want to accomplish in their life. It's a great organizational class, and the students get a lot of information on the 7 habits. In quarter 4, we offer guitar class. Currently, there's 19 students enrolled for that class, and some are 9th graders all the way through 12th graders. Some students play guitar quite well, and others are just beginning. So the combination of learning the technique on the guitar and learning to read music is what we explore. We usually do every week. We do a different string out of the 6 strings, and the book we use is the Hal Leonard Guitar Book 1, and it's an interesting class because they get to play many different songs by the end, and some of the more advanced students help the other students, and some days we have jam sessions where they can bring in their own music from their guitar lessons or the things they've learned to play. The class that I teach during quarter 1 is music theory, and most students take it so that they can become better readers of treble and bass clef and have some familiarity with piano and reading rhythms and doing rhythmic dictation. It's often really important for kids that are going to be music majors because when they go to college to pursue music or music education, they have to take a theory placement test. So this is an Alford theory book, and it has 3 different levels in it, and students are very well prepared for college or just become better with music literacy. We're fortunate to have 3 music educators at the high school, myself, Ron Goodwin, and Cheryl Richardson, who all work with the ensembles, and Ron has done an awesome job with the clip about all the ensembles we have to offer, so I'm going to turn it over to Ron right now.
One of the staples of any music department are its ensemble courses that give students a chance to showcase vocal and instrumental skills they've been building since elementary school, and this is where we think our department really shines. Though our 2 largest ensembles each have their own unique roster of students, there's also a good deal of crossover, and we definitely encourage that. While each ensemble performs at their own unique events, more often than not we perform as an entire department at events such as our annual Holiday Village, which is a celebration of the holidays with performances from all of our groups accompanied by an entertaining storyline and a walkthrough experience not to be missed. The Music in Our Schools Month concert is another featuring all the bands and choruses from throughout our school district. And finally, when we travel to high-profile destinations like Walt Disney World in Florida, we often travel as a department, and we also offer opportunities for students to fundraise in order to cover their costs for these unique opportunities. Now, standard, enriched, and honors levels are available for both band and chorus, each with its own requirements that must be met. Band is a multifaceted experience that begins each year with complete immersion in the marching arts. For 1 week in August, we all take a break from our summer routines and come together to learn our show for the fall. Students will be engaged in daily music sectionals and rehearsals, learn marching technique and drill, and then put it all together on the field where our show comes to life with costumes, characters, and props, all with the goal to prepare for the halftime performances and band shows that mark our first quarter together. By mid-October, we're shifting gears and diving headfirst into our concert season with preparations in full force for our annual Holiday Village. That happens in December, and with the start of the new year, we're making preparations for our spring concert, Music in Our Schools Month concert, our elementary tour, graduation, and much, much more. Throughout the entire year, we support our community and others by participating in various holiday parades and performances. For chorus, fall starts with preparations for our annual Seacoast Choral Festival, of which Spalding is a founding member. The event brings together choruses and choirs from across the region, and we always aim to provide a fun and entertaining show that the audience will long remember. Preparations for an annual Veterans Day observance and the Holiday Village come next and offer new students their first real taste of the depth that our program has to offer. An audition select choir runs in conjunction with the main chorus and is able to prepare more advanced pieces as well as provide performances in places where the larger chorus just couldn't fit. Many choral students choose to participate in our spring musical, and an extensive spring concert is also prepared as well. Our annual musical production is another community favorite event. Though auditions are held for lead characters, we are unique in that we allow anyone who wants to be part of the production to participate in the ensemble, tech crew, or assisting with front of house needs such as ushering or concessions. The musical is a large-scale event that involves the majority of our department and one that we work tirelessly to make the highest quality possible. Students interested in learning more about acting, stage vocals, lighting, sound, working the stage crew, etc., can gain valuable skills and experience by participating in the production.